Now that we know how to create a split for ourselves and how to get all the information that we need to know about it, now we need to talk about how you can use this split or how anyone else can use this split and send funds directly to it so that it's split up based on the rules that we previously gave it. Just like you have a wallet address, so too does every single split. And you can see that in this user interface by just hovering over the name of it, and you can click it to copy it. And just like people can send funds to you using your wallet address, anybody can send funds to this split using its address. Let's take that wallet address that we previously copied and we can open up whatever our favorite wallet is. For me, that's MetaMask. Now, if I want to send funds to this split, then I'd open my MetaMask wallet and I would insert this address that is for the split as the to address when I'm sending funds in MetaMask. Let me show you. Just like if we were sending funds to another person, we can send funds to this split's address by clicking this send button. Then all we need to do is paste that split address that we previously copied, enter the amount of ETH or other tokens we want to send to it, and execute the transaction. So anybody can send funds to your split, but one of my favorite features of these splits is that you can actually plug them into any other third-party application. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is Zora. It's a platform that, among other things, lets you quickly set up NFTs so that other people can then mint them. Now, if we scroll down to the bottom here, you'll see that it allows you to set up a payout address where the funds from the mint will go. Typically, this is the wallet address that's connected to the application when you're setting it up, but you can actually set this to be anything, including a split's wallet address. So we'll paste that in here, and now any funds from the mint will, instead of going directly to your wallet, it will hit your split first. This is great if you're collaborating with another person and you want to make sure that all of the funds are distributed in a way that you've previously agreed upon. And it's awesome that you can plug in a split's wallet address onto Zora or any other third-party application to make this a reality. But we can take things even further because splits can actually be recipients on other splits. And here's an example of that. In this case, on this split, donations.oxsplits.eth is receiving 3.7% of the split we're viewing. But this is actually a split in and of itself. And if we click this drop-down icon, we can see all of the different recipients of this split and what their proportional share of the split that we're currently viewing is. And it's as simple as just listing an existing split as a recipient on any new split you're creating. So whether you want to send funds to a split directly, or want to use a split with a third-party platform, or want to make a split within a split, you can do all of those things using the split's address that you can find in the split's user interface. Now that we know how to get funds into a split, in the next video we'll talk about how we can distribute and withdraw those funds to our own personal wallet addresses.